Hey everyone, it's Orlando Streets, and we are at H Mart on Colonial Drive in Orlando, Florida. And we're actually, right now, we're just going to go walking through the facility, and we're going to see if we can get inside and take a look around. So let's do this. All right, so they made some progress since we were last here. They worked on the parking lot and they put this fence up around the entrance. Like the doors have been installed, so I can't go in. I suppose I could walk in here. Hello. Are they opening up soon, or the H Mart? No idea. How come this area here is fenced and that one? Yeah, I thought it was the same store.
No, there's a Paris baguette going in this corner.
Oh, okay.
So this is to kind of contain us.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you.
Not a problem.
Alright, so they fenced off this entrance for the Paris baguette, which is over in this section. Man, that's going to be a big store. It's strange. And this is going to be the H Mart over here. Well, I'd say it's coming along, which is exciting. Sorry?
You can't be outside. You can't be outside.
I can't be outside?
You can't be on this site.
On this side?
This is a construction site. You're not allowed here.
Okay. Do you know when the store's opening?
No, I do not.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So that's going to be a Paris baguette right there? Is it going to be connected to the H Mart? Do you know?
I can't answer any questions.
Okay. Oh, sorry about that. I'll walk out. Wow, that was wild. Okay, I almost made it inside the building, but I got stopped and some woman was screaming, "He had a camera, he had a camera." You know, I just walked in and I looked at the security guard and he was looking at his phone or something. I don't know what he was doing. Anyway, you know, I just went for it. I walked towards the building, I looked around, talked to a couple people, and then this gentleman asked me to leave, so I turned around and got out of there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.